How to fix OneDrive sync conflicts in Windows. Imagine working on a file on your computer and then editing the same file on your phone or another device. Sometimes, OneDrive gets confused and creates multiple versions of the same file. That's what we call a sync conflict. It happens when changes are made from different places before OneDrive can update everything. If you see duplicate files with device names or extra suffixes, it's a sign of a sync conflict. OneDrive handles these conflicts by making copies of the file with added information, like the device name or user details. This way, you can see the different versions and decide which one to keep. To fix these conflicts, start by opening your OneDrive folder and look for files with duplicate names or extra tags. These are the conflicting files. Open each version to review what was changed. If you see differences, you can merge the changes into one file. Save the merged file with the original name to replace the conflicting copies. Once you've merged the files, delete the extra versions to avoid confusion. If you prefer, you can also rename the copies to keep them for reference. Sometimes, conflicts happen because OneDrive is not syncing properly. In that case, click the OneDrive icon in the system tray and see if there is a resolve option. If available, click it to follow the prompts and fix the conflict. If conflicts keep happening, try resetting OneDrive. You do this by pressing the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type in the reset command, %local app data %Microsoft OneDrive OneDrive.x/reset. Hit enter and wait for OneDrive to restart. If that doesn't work, pause and then resume syncing. You can do this by right-clicking the OneDrive icon and selecting pause, then resume after a few moments. Another step is to unlink your PC from OneDrive and then sign back in. This refreshes the connection and can clear up sync issues. If you use multiple OneDrive accounts, like personal and work, make sure they are set up correctly and aren't interfering with each other. Clearing cached files from the Microsoft Office Upload Center can also help if files get stuck. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the OneDrive app. This can fix corrupted files or installation problems. Remember, OneDrive is built into Windows as a core feature, so fixing sync conflicts helps keep your files up to date across all your devices. By following these steps, you can easily resolve conflicts and keep your files synchronized smoothly.